In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the back plate onto the back of your tablet. You can install this directly onto the back of the tablet, or you can put onto the back of the case as well. So the first thing you want to do is to look up the dimensions of your tablet. In this video, we are using an iPad 10th generation. And as you can see, these are the dimensions, and you always want to retain the largest number here, which is 248.6 millimeter. Everything is going to be the metric system here because it's a lot easier. The imperial system is going to be much more complicated. So we are going to retain the largest number, which is 248.6 millimeter, which is also the length of the iPad here. So we are going to divide that number by 2, 248.6 divided by 2, and we are getting 124.3, and we subtract 53.5 from that number, and the new number is 78.8 millimeter, or 7.8 centimeter, which is roughly equal to 71 millimeter, or 7.1 centimeter. Okay, and the 53.5 is essentially just the length of this one divided by 2. The length of this one is 107, but you don't need to know that. Always remember that you are going to take the largest number from your tablet dimension, which is 248.6. In the case of the iPad 10th generation, you divide that number by 2, and you subtract 53.5 from that number. And whatever you get here, that's the number you're going to be working with. So now we're going to take our ruler. This is going to be included into your kit. So it's got two sides. You always want to make sure that you work with the metric side here. Okay, so we're going to place this close to the top. Okay, and make sure it is at the very edge. And the iPad, this particular iPad, has magnets along the side, so it makes it a lot easier for the ruler to now move around. So we're gonna place it higher to the top, and then I'm gonna use this plastic shim, which is also going to have which is going to be included in the kit as well. And this number is about 71. It's roughly 71 millimeter, or 7.1 centimeter. So we're just gonna place it onto the number 7 here, which is 70 millimeter. Okay, and at this point, you wanna make sure that you already remove the liner from your double-sided adhesive. It's really easy to remove. Okay, and for smaller tablets like this 10th generation iPad, you wanna make sure that you bring this as close to the bottom as possible, and also make sure that it doesn't go all the way to the bottom. Just leave about 1 centimeter, 1 to 1.5 centimeter between this side and the bottom of the tablet. So now that it is the plastic shim is on 7, I want to press on it firmly, make sure it doesn't move around, and from there you can just place your back bits, and you all set. Since this is a nano acrylic adhesive, it does not have any cure time. It is ready to use immediately, but just make sure you press on it firmly, and now you're ready to go.